Hello, in front of me I have Samsung S25, and in this video I'm going to show you how to adjust ringtone volume. Alright, so to adjust the ringtone volume, we use the volume keys. But first, let's click volume up or volume down. And now let's click on those three dots right in here, once we are on the home screen. And now, to adjust the ringtone volume, we need to simply do it right in here. It's this bar, and we can move upwards or downwards, and that's how we can select the level of the volume of the ringtone. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.